Hey, what's up everyone, it's ISSAC here, welcome back. Oh my gosh, why my hair looks so weird?
What can I do? ISSAC 哥剃光頭咪算咯。
These videos, I'm going to show you how to use the simple tools to do the self-cut, trim the length, clean up the hairline, and do the front layers.
Be a better me.
You need a headband. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Spray water or go to rinse is easier to separate the section. Before the haircut, make sure you face to the mirror, and right now I'm gonna cut with the number 4.
I gotta stay awake, stay alive. It's all I need to find a way to make it in life. Have to believe or else the pain will take all the fight right out.
That's so easy, right?
Just lay awake late at night, thinking of things that I can do to make progress. It's all in the process. Train the subconscious. That shit works, I promise. So take what you need, no breaks. Hit the speed, don't save anything. Don't waste all you could be.
The before and the after. When we finish for the both sides, now we go to the back. You can hold the second mirror, you can see your back with the mirror reflection. We do here now. That's really fast. And now I'm gonna use the number 3 for the bottom. Nice and clean. I love to do the self-cut with the hair clipper because hair clipper is so convenient. So you can get what is the length that you want. This is so convenient, eh? Now we're gonna tidy up the hairline.
Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second have you feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't calm down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself.
You can use the shaver to tidy up for the little hair.
Do you really want to be famous? Do you really want to be a superstar? Do you really want to get dangerous? Do you even know where the groupies are? Bitches out here be shameless. And I really wonder where their parents are. Look around, everything changes. It feels like I've been buried alive. Let it breathe. It feels like I've been buried alive.
Alright, let's do the blow dry. After the blow dry, when you feel the bands is too long, just trim it. Now I'm gonna trim my bands.
Happens for a reason. People only in your life for seasons.
My pants is too long.
Death and taxes, that's all we giving. You can make a life, but can't make a living. You can make it work, but that still ain't driven. Give a lot, but that still ain't giving. Living life like this ain't real though. Every night like this, I feel so dead wrong. Collision is head on. My vision is dead and gone. Perception of right and wrong. I've been here so very long. Right here in this very song. Look around, everything changes. Seem like everybody just strangers. Don't go outside.
Oh my gosh, looks so nice.
They wanna be famous. I'm so OCD. If they notice me, I might jump out the grave so they know it's me. Man,
Hey guys, do you love this haircut? I know you love it. If you want to learn how to do the hairstyle, I know after these videos you will ask about ISSAC, what is the best haircut for me? What is the best hairstyle for me? Best outfits for me? I'm here to invite you to join our online class. So for the online class, you can join the hair online class, skincare online class, outfits online class, the image consultation online class. You know, in the online class, I even face to face just go to do the video chat to guide you how to do the self haircuts, how to do the best hairstyle. What are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Now we have the huge discount for my audience. Let's get everything 10% off. Just type the discount code Be a Better Me. Just message to Team ISSAC to join the online class. I will see you in the online class. If you want to check out more K-pop hairstyle content, just go to there later. I was so happy to see you guys there. If you love this video, so please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, and you will never miss my new video. Alright, see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace.